Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the hassle? The Scosche Double DIN Dash Kit offers a flawless way to install a new aftermarket stereo right where your factory unit sits. Designed to fit double DIN stereos with a maximum screen size of 3 and 13/16 by 6 and 13/16, 96. 8 mm by 173 mm. This dash kit ensures your new system looks like it was built for your vehicle from day one. What sets this dash kit apart is its precision engineering. Every curve and contour is crafted for a gapless fit between your dashboard and the stereo, eliminating awkward spaces or uneven edges. Plus, the color and texture perfectly match your factory dash, so the upgrade blends seamlessly with your car's interior. Installation is straightforward, no special tools needed, and comes with clear, step-by-step instructions, making it accessible even if you're not a seasoned installer. But the benefits don't stop at looks and fit. When you choose Scosche, you're backed by 40 years of experience in creating high-quality, affordable car audio accessories. Their commitment to excellence means you get a product built to last, supported by a limited lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. That means if you ever have questions or run into issues, their knowledgeable team is just a call away, ready to help for as long as you own the product. If you're serious about upgrading your car stereo with confidence, this dash kit is worth a look. It's designed to make your installation smooth and your new stereo look factory fresh. Plus, knowing you have lifetime support and warranty means you're investing in peace of mind as much as performance. Ready to transform your vehicle's audio setup? Try the Scosche Double DIN Dash Kit when you're ready to make a clean, professional upgrade. It's the reliable choice that fits perfectly, installs easily, and keeps you covered long after the install is done.